Want to order fresh groceries using Amazon Fresh? In this video, I will guide you step by step on how to do that. First of all, you want to launch open the Amazon app or go to Amazon's website. Now you want to head over to Amazon Fresh. Once you're on the Amazon Fresh page, browse the wide variety of fresh produce, dairy, milk, pantry items, and more. You can search for a specific items by typing in the search bar or scroll through the categories. For example, if you need fruits, tap on produce to find everything from apples to avocados. Now, you want to add the items you want to your cart by selecting them. Now tap on the Add to Cart option. You can adjust the quantities or remove items before finalizing your order. If you are a Prime member, you'll enjoy exclusive benefits like free delivery on orders over a certain amount. When you're ready to check out, go to your cart and review your items. Double check the quantities and make sure everything you need is included. Now tap Proceed to checkout to confirm your delivery address, payment method, and preferred delivery window. Amazon Fresh allows same day or next day delivery depending on your location and time of order. So choose the time that works best for you. Once your order is confirmed, you'll receive an order summary and delivery updates directly in your app. On the day of delivery, an Amazon Fresh driver will bring you groceries right to your door, fresh and ready to use. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.